Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial on how to create custom shop page in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. For this, go to the appearance of your dashboard, theme to add new theme. First, we need to activate Hello Elementor. It serves as a stable, lightweight foundation while ShopBuilder gives you the tools to build and customize the store efficiently. And this is free to install. Next, you need to install Elementor alongside ShopBuilder plugin to unlock full customization option. While done, click on Activate. After installing Elementor, go for Adding New Plugin. In the search box, type WooCommerce and install it as well. ShopBuilder enhances WooCommerce design. WooCommerce is essential for core e-commerce functions, and then activate it. Now let's move to the products for the category. Firstly, provide a name to add new category. For example, men's shirt. You can provide parent category if you want. Add image for the thumbnail and save it. Now let's add new product and provide the title. Write a description of your product here, and for the product data, set your regular price and sale price. Then you can write a short description of your product. Now set your product category. For the image, choose a suitable one as per your demand. Thus, you can select and set your desired product images, as many as you want. Now, click on Publish to save and view the product. And also the store. This is the interface of default WooCommerce shop page. Now, this is time to install the ShopBuilder plugin. Go to the plugins to add new and type ShopBuilder. Click on Install now. After installing, click on Activate. Now let's go for Template Builder and click on Add New Page. This is the interface of it. Set the template name like shop page, template type, set Elementor as editor type. Now enable active template button so that you can build a custom page with ShopBuilder Template Builder. You will get several pre-built templates, but today I will select a blank template to show you from the scratch. This is the interface of it. Click on the plus icon to select a structure. Now drag archive title and drop it there. Again, select 3 rows structure and drag result count in the first row. You can customize the typography of it. For the second row, drag and drop product ordering. You can also customize its typography like height, background color, text color, etc. For the third row, drag view mode and customize its width alongside other options. Next, again click on plus icon and drag products custom layouts here. You will get 2 free grid layouts with 6 premium layouts. Also get 2 free list layouts. Then select the number of columns to show per row. Now let's move to the style settings and go for the product title. You can customize its size, color from the color picker. For product price, similarly customize its size, weight, its color for sale price and regular price. Thus, you can customize product rating, add to cart button, etc. Now publish to save and see the modification. Now back to the Shop Builder Offer dashboard, settings and modules. For enabling Quick View and Wishlist feature, click on it first to enable Quick View module and save it. Let's see how does it look. Here is the Quick View. Now enable Wishlist and save it. Let's visit the shop page to view it. Here is this. Here you can manage and set products ordering. And this is how you can simply create custom shop page in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching this video.